Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, as always, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out to everyone watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Just make sure you mash that subscribe button on your way out if you have not done that already. All you newbie viewers, just like every day, make sure you stay to the end because we will be revealing one of our most promising ebooks. It's totally free, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and trading strategies. Tons of facts and some key things you guys will need to know so you don't make mistakes early and you can make more money in the markets today. So without wasting any more time, we'll go ahead and get started. I want to first go over a couple of articles I thought were pretty cool. Fortnite, probably the biggest video game out right now. Fastest growing, I would say. I'm not a big video game guy, but I've been hearing nothing more than Fortnite. Haven't played it, don't know much about it, but I know it's huge, and I know they are now accepting Monero as a form of payment in the merchandising store. So you can buy things from Fortnite using cryptocurrency on their platform. I thought it was pretty neat. And they decided to pick Monero, which is a privacy coin. You can look that up and learn more about it. It's one of the top 10 in the industry. So if you don't know about it, you need to, because it's probably one of the leading privacy coins on the market. So something to take a look at. Thought was pretty cool. It has something to do with mass adoption as well. So definitely something to take a look at. Another one I thought was pretty neat. You guys know I'm a big supporter of XRP, so I'm always looking for new articles on XRP. And they have confirmed 12 companies are adopting Ripple's XRP, which is the crypto, the XRP-based payment solution. It's called XRapid. Now, the payment solution is called XRapid, but they use XRP as the payment source to get money from one country to the next. Just read a little bit of this article. Now, the number of companies adopting Ripple's XRP-powered cross-border payment solutions, XRapid, is expanding. A total of 12 companies have now confirmed they have either implemented the plan to utilize the they have implemented or plan to utilize the technology. So far, Ripple has confirmed that crypto exchanges Bittrex, Bitso, Coins.ph, and Bitstamp will use the software solution to boost payments between the U.S. and the Philippines and the U.S. and Mexico. Ripple also says payment platforms Qualix and Mercury FX and Catalyst Corporate Federal Credit Union will use XRapid to improve the speed of their cross-border transactions. Here's a lot of the big companies outside of that. SBI Virtual Currencies, IDT, Via America, Senfriend, and Bitrue are also adding the XRapid platform. So, guys, the more people that decide to use it, the more mass adoption it will get, and the higher I think Ripple will climb. Let's jump into Bitcoin real quick. You can notice here on the daily chart, a couple things popping. We did find support right here, which is a big support over here. Broke, became support here, definitely became support here at 32.81 roughly. Beyond that, we still have this in play. This would be an inverse head and shoulders. So we can go, we'll just do it quick. Here to here. Right shoulder played out pretty much to perfection. Same area of support. Let me fix this. Like how it is kind of on the level like that. So let me fix that. Yeah, but you guys get the point here, right? The right shoulder came down on the daily and it's still playing out. As you can see, we went from here to a higher level of support here. And then we're looking for a higher level of support here, and just keep climbing its way up until we reach the target of around 4,400, which is what I think. Obviously we have to complete the right shoulder. Just because we complete the left and right shoulder doesn't mean this is going to be a head. The head and shoulder is going to work out. Sorry, guys, I'm just kind of playing with this a little bit. We reach the right shoulder, then we look for the breakout. If we get the breakout, we're going to need it to come up and above here. Find some base here. I'll draw it out for you again, then we'll move on to lower charts. So we're going to need a breakout from here to here, which is the first call. And then we're going to notice and see if it goes further from here to here. And then it turns around and retests that area. This is the biggest thing, guys, because this is your entry. Your entry would be right here, okay? Your entry would be right here if it holds this area. And then you should look for, if you use the measurement tool from here to here, from the neckline to the head, you will see, let me do that one more time. From the head to the neckline, from here to here, this should be your breakout. Okay, and if you notice, that breakout ends up on another level of resistance right here. Nothing really supporting it between here and here. I could pull up more indicators and show you the same thing, but this is almost a perfect head and shoulders on a reverse pattern, trying to get back to bullish areas. So let's break this down a little bit on the 6 hour. Again, head and shoulders playing out nicely. See the head and shoulders steer here still playing out nicely. We're getting multiple retests of this area, but as you can see, it's holding very nicely, just like it did back here. We're looking for the continuation of that. Maybe another retest here before we head up, but I do feel like we're going to head up. We'll break it down in the 6 hour real quick. The 4 hour. If you look at that also, if you back up just a little bit, I wanted to show you one thing. If you do kind of a retest from a Fibonacci standpoint, like from here to here, from the low to the high, you can see that Bitcoin found a huge retracement, a beautiful retracement with an engulfing candle here. This engulfing candle is one of the biggest reasons you should see bullish signals after that, because it's a total engulfing pattern. There's also support here at 61.8. It reached 61.8 and was totally rejected the other way. Climbed above 50, holding here as of yesterday above the 38.2. We're seeing a small retest right here before we should really complete above 38.2 or even go further and above the 23.6 to find another level. After that, you can see that on a shorter time frame, the 6 hour, the 6 hour, we can see, if you just get rid of that, we can see here, from here to here, excuse me guys, on the 6 hour time frame, you can see another 61.8 retest on just a small little time frame. A bunch of reasons, guys, to think that we are still going bullish. We do have, kind of a funny pattern here, but as you can see, it's being squeezed in. If you look at it from like a small point of view here, this is kind of being squeezed in, and I want to see it play out one way or the other. I want to see it break down and out, or I want to see it break up and out. This to me is the next target. Somewhere in here. We need to see this as the next target. I'd like to see it keep rising up. We'll see what happens, though. We're going to follow it step by step. Still a very dangerous time to be trading your funds. But as you can see, we've held the support of the left shoulder here. We're holding support nicely. I just need to see a breakout and go above before we can see some setup on some other charts. So keep your eyes peeled. Stay patient, guys. Patience is the name of the game when you're looking for chart setups here. It has revisited this the third time. This is kind of a make it or break it. So we're either going to break down and end up back down here, or we're going to see a slight break to the upside above these areas right here. If we get up and above here, we should see bullish action. If we get below here, we're going to see bearish action. So those are the two things we're looking for. Wait for a breakout, one into the other. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. We will be back with updates every single day for you guys to let you know how we feel about the market and where we think it stands. Hope you guys had a wonderful new year. And those of you that are new, climb on down up to the bottom where you see the comments. You're going to see the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. There's a link. Click that link to get your free ebook and your free training series brought to you by Cody Sperber himself. So take a look at that, guys. Take advantage of it. Even if you guys have been here before but haven't clicked that link, please do. You'll find some useful information. Anything you learn every day is going to help you make more money in this industry because it's always changing. So we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.